Ever wondered what lies beyond the ordinary? Get ready to journey into the unknown as we explore geographical odd zones. From bizarre landscapes to hidden wonders, prepare to have your perceptions challenged on an adventure that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Let's begin. Number 7. The Glass Beach. Imagine a beach sparkling with colorful glass instead of sand. This magical place is known as Glass Beach, located in Fort Bragg in California, in USA. But how did this unusual beach come to be? Picture this. People used to dump garbage, including glass bottles and appliances, into the ocean near the Fort Bragg. Over many years, the waves ponded and tumbled the discarded glass, smoothing its edges and turning it into colorful, polished pieces. Eventually, nature transformed this once polluted shoreline into a stunning mosaic of sea glass. Scientifically speaking, Glass Beach is a result of wave action, erosion, and weathering processes. The glass pieces you find there today come in various colors like blue, green, and brown, depending on the original source of the glass. It's like nature's recycling program at work, turning trash into treasure. Let's talk numbers. Glass Beach is divided into several coves, with the largest one being the most popular among the visitors. In the past, it was actually part of a municipal landfill, but it was closed in the late 1960s. Since then, nature has been working its magic, and today Glass Beach is a protected part of McCurricker State Park. What makes Glass Beach one of the most mind-bending and odd zones in the world is its transformation from a dumping ground into a beautiful testament of nature's resilience and creativity. It's a reminder that even in the face of human impact, the Earth has the power to heal and astonish us with its beauty. Number 6. The Tunnel of Love. Imagine you're walking through a tunnel that looks like it's straight out of fairy tale. It's called the Tunnel of Love, and it's in Ukraine. This tunnel isn't just any ordinary tunnel, it's actually a railway truck surrounded by trees that have grown together over time, creating a canopy of greenery. Now, why is it called the Tunnel of Love? Well, legend has it that couples who visit this tunnel together will have their wishes granted if they're sincere in their love for each other. Pretty romantic, right? But here's where it gets interesting scientifically. The trees that form the tunnel are mostly of the species called Tilia cordata, also known as small-leaved linden. These trees have a unique growth pattern called phototropism, where they naturally bend and grow towards sources of light. In the case of the Tunnel of Love, the passing train has shaped the growth of these trees, creating the tunnel-like structure we see today. Now, let's talk numbers. The Tunnel of Love stretches for about 3 kilometers, which is nearly 2 miles, and is located near the town of Klevin in Ukraine. It's not just a tourist attraction, it's also a functioning railway used for transporting wood to a nearby factory. What makes the Tunnel of Love one of the most mind-bending and rare zones on our planet is its surreal beauty and the way nature and human activity have intertwined to create something truly magical. It's a reminder that even in the most unexpected places, love and nature can flourish together in harmony. Number 5. The Giant's Causeway. Imagine stepping onto a shore where the rocks looks like giant stepping stones, forming a pathway that seems to lead into the sea. This is a Giant's Causeway, a natural wonder located on the coast of Northern Ireland. Legend has it that the Giant's Causeway was built by an Irish giant named Finn McCool, who wanted to challenge a Scottish giant to a fight. He built the causeway across the North Channel so they could meet. However, the scientific explanation is equally fascinating. The Giant Causeway is made up of about 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, most of which are hexagonal in shape. These columns were formed around 50 to 60 million years ago during a period of intense volcanic activity. When lava flowed onto the surface, it cooled rapidly and contracted, causing it to fracture into these distinctive columns. Let's dive into the numbers. The tallest columns at the Giant's Causeway reach heights of up to 12 meters, which is around 39 feet, while the majority are around 1 meter or 3 feet in height. The tops of the columns form stepping stones that lead from the cliffs into the sea, creating a surreal and mesmerizing landscape. What makes the Giant's Causeway one of the most odd and rare zones in the world is its unique geological formations and the way they seem to defy explanation. It's a testament to the power of nature that shapes our planet over millions of years. Enjoying Journey with us? Subscribe to our channel for a regular dose of mind-bending exploration. Your subscription not only keeps you updated, but also supports us in creating more thought-provoking content. Subscribe now and be part of our community. Number 4. Spotted Lake. Imagine coming across a lake that looks like it's covered in spots as if it's been painted by nature's brush. This extraordinary place is called Spotted Lake, located in British Columbia in Canada. Scientifically, Spotted Lake is a rare natural phenomenon known for its high concentration of minerals. It contains over 365 circular pools, each with a unique coloration and mineral composition. These pools form when the lake evaporates during the summer months, leaving behind mineral deposits that create the spotted patterns. Now let's talk numbers. The mineral composition of Spotted Lake includes high concentrations of magnesium sulfate, calcium, and sodium sulfate. These minerals crystallize on the surface of the pools, creating the vibrant colors that give the lake its distinctive appearance. The lake covers an area of about 15 hectares, which is around 37 acres, with each pool varying in size and depth. Legend has it that the Spotted Lake has healing properties and has been revered for centuries by the indigenous Okanagan First Nations people. They believe that the minerals in the lake possess medicinal qualities and have used them for various purposes, including treating ailments and skin conditions. What makes Spotted Lake one of the most mind-bending and odd places on Earth is its otherworldly appearance and the fascinating geological processes behind it. It's a reminder of the diversity and wonder of our planet's landscapes and the incredible forces that shape them over time. Number 3. The Stone Forest. Imagine walking through a forest where the trees are made of stone, towering above you in tangled formations. This fantastical place is known as the Stone Forest, located in Yunnan Province in China. Scientifically, the Stone Forest is a unique geological formation composed of limestone. Over millions of years, the natural forces of erosion and weathering have sculpted the limestone into towering pillars, some reaching heights of over 30 meters, which is 98 feet. These pillars resemble petrified trees, giving the forest its otherworldly appearance. Now, let's dive into the numbers. The Stone Forest covers an area of approximately 400 square kilometers, which is around 154 square miles, making it one of the largest of its kind in the world. Within this massive area, visitors can explore various scenic zones, each with its own specific features and formations. Legend has it that the Stone Forest was once a beautiful garden created by a mischievous god who turned the trees into stone to escape the advances of a love-struck woman. What makes the Stone Forest one of the most rare and bizarre places on Earth is its surreal beauty and the way it challenges our perceptions of what a forest should look like. It's a reminder of the wonders that can be found in the natural world and the endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. Number 2. The Doorway to the Underworld. Imagine stumbling upon a mysterious hole in the ground, surrounded by icy landscapes where the temperature plunges to bone-chilling levels. The enigmatic place is known as the Doorway to the Underworld, located in Siberia in Russia. Scientifically, the Doorway to the Underworld is a massive crater known as a megaslump or thermokarst depression. It formed as a result of melting permafrost, which is frozen ground that remains below 0 degrees Celsius, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, for 2 or more consecutive years. In Siberia, permafrost covers vast areas of land, storing massive amounts of organic matter like dead plants and animals. As the climate warms, the permafrost defrosts, causing the ground to collapse and form these large craters. The Doorway to the Underground is one of the largest of its kind, measuring over 100 meters in diameter, which is around 328 feet, and plunging to depths of around 70 meters, which is around 230 feet. Legend has it that the Doorway to the Underworld is a portal to the realm of the spirits, where ancient gods and mythical creatures reside. The megaslump serves as a simple reminder of the far-reaching impacts of climate change and the urgent need for action to reduce its effects. Here's a question for you. If you could visit any of these odd and rare geographical zones, which one would you pick? Share your thoughts in the comments. We can't wait to read them. Number 1. Pink Lake. Imagine stumbling upon a lake that looks like it's been dyed pink by a giant paintbrush. This magical place is known as the Pink Lake, located in Australia. Scientifically, the Pink Lake gets its vibrant color from a type of algae called Dunaliella salina. This algae produces a reddish pigment when it's exposed to high levels of sunlight and salinity, which gives the lake its original pink hue. Additionally, the lake's high salt concentration allows it to retain more water, making it appear pinker during certain times of the year. Let's dive into the numbers. The Pink Lake covers an area of approximately 10 hectares, which is around 25 acres, and is situated near the town of Esperance in Western Australia. While the lake's color can vary depending on factors like the time of the day and weather conditions, it typically appears pinker during the summer months when the algae are most active. Legend has it that the Pink Lake was once a sacred site for the indigenous Aboriginal people who believed that the vibrant color was a sign of the land's spiritual significance. While the scientific explanation may not involve mystical powers, it's no less fascinating. The Pink Lake is a natural wonder that showcases the beauty and diversity of Australia's landscape. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through most mind-bending, odd and rare zones around the world. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting explorations. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching. Until next time.